typical Miami view. This kind of view is nice. And so what we have here, we're doing work on replacing the floor. Before this, there was something like this. We have a smelly, hairy one, a dust-emitting object, and now we have a new laminate floor. Beautiful gender. This is much better than this old carpet, you know. It has already lived its life, and I highly recommend this brand and model instead. You'll have a good floor, replace your floor as they say, and you'll be happy. There's some new ones here. You know, there's this stretch, you see, it's curved. So you can't really come up with any special solution. Curved, special ones would take long to order and be expensive, so we're making this seamless transition. It fits right into the tile, and this seam will be filled with sealant. It won't be noticeable, there won't be any obstacle, and the robot vacuum will travel back and forth without any problems. So that's how it is. Where was this minor leveling done? Here, for example, there was a clearing and the bumps have been smoothed out. All recesses are gone, the floor is prepared. That's why if anyone needs this kind of work who wants to get rid of carpet, feel free to reach out.